Oh. Foxy, what are you doing?
I'm 3D printing something.
Like what?
Just come over here and then I'll tell you. Don't trust me?
I'm scared.
Okay, I'll show you what I'm 3D printing. I have 3D printed a gun.
What?
Chicken cow here.
No.
This is what I tested.
No.
I finally have a hand. I can actually pull the trigger. Chica, stop. Fucking stop. Damn you, Chica. Ow. Chica, knock it off. Chica, get back.
What the fuck are you two idiots doing?
He's chasing me.
What does it look like?
Remember me?
Yeah.
Or you just not recognize me?
I do not know you.
Cassidy.
Yeah, I'm going now. Bye. I don't know who you are, but I don't really care. I got other things to do. I'm not chasing you anymore, you Nimrod. I'm going back to studying magic.
I'm scared.
You are confusing.
I study magic. Of course I'm confusing.
Okay, I'm going back. And I can't.
Locking myself in here. Never mind, the levers are broken.
Yeah, some bitch came in and broke them.
Luckily I got spares.
No. I can't see.
So, who actually are you, person that just walked in?
Me? Or...
You.
I've already told you my name.
I don't remember.
I am practice my piano.
Chica, where are you?
On stage.
Chica, you want to see magic?
Because
Shit, Freddy. I set Freddy's mic off and fire. Who's gone? Don't tell Freddy.
you know he's gonna be wondering. You know this, right?
Screw him. He's never here.
True.
He's just standing in there looking all depressed.
This is why I wasn't hiding. Because I can't deal with you guys.
Depression, bitch.
Not close.
Okay, I'm just going back.
Don't bother dealing with you two.
He's depressed.
You guys are annoying. Kitchen.
You do that. I got work to do.
Okay, I found another microphone in the back. What the? There's a dog in here. What the heck? Hey, Pupper. Yep, I'm out. I'm going outside now.
Hey, Chica.
Hmm.
Come over here.
How?
Hold on a second, then I'll show you how. Okay? Okay? Give me a second.
What the heck? I'm curious about this building. Oh.
Stop following me.
Wow.
God's about to run out. Fuck off. You have a free dog, Chica. Now goodbye. I gotta go do stuff.
Doggo.
Well, Buddy wanted me to check this place out for some reason. Well, let's get whatever he wanted done. Okay, good to know. Good to know, good to know. Hello again. You're just going to ignore me now after you terrified the crap out of everyone yesterday?
That was years ago. What are you talking about?
That was literally fucking yesterday.
I don't know what you're on.
Okay then. Good to know. Surprised you're even still around, Fred there, or would you rather me call you Cassie at this point? After all, me and you both know what happened. How does it feel to have complete control?
This is my own body now. Fredward bodies still exist.
Yes, but Bonnie, on the other hand, I enjoyed whipping him limb from limb. It was hilarious how no one would believe Molten about how that was like Springtrap, you know?
Susie girl. Susie.
Who's Susie?
Chica.
Chica! I don't know. I don't even think she knows me.
As well as this place of a bit.
Might as well. Yeah, it's like it's why not? So, what should I call you actually, though?
I mean, Cassidy, Kelsey, whatever you want to call me.
Golden Freddy?
Oh. Great imagination. I'm a Freddy, but golden.
I mean, what they call molten. Molten Freddy. He was a Freddy, but molten.
The molten, he was just broken.
What did they call Mangle when she got destroyed? Mangle. She used to just be called Toy Foxy. They called him Mangle. It's not like it's a habit with Freddy fans.
That's true.
Also, Chica the chicken. Chica, chicken. Bonnie the bunny. Bonnie, bunny.
He's always been terrible at naming things.
What do you think about my name, Showtime Steve? Is that decent enough?
Yeah.
No one asked you. I was asking him. What do you think about my name?
It's a weird one.
Well, it was made for Showtime announcements, so. Hello there. There's a dog. I miss watching Fredbear eat dogs.
Got that was the wall.
What am I doing? I instant death the dog. Well, it's nice to see you again, Cassidy.
Yeah. I found.
I really want a top hat for some reason.
When you go get one, there's some, like thousands of them in storage in the other place.
I know. Technically, I could technically go to my past self and convince him to get a top hat, you know? I'm pretty sure doesn't Michael wear a fucking top hat in the past?
I don't remember.
I'm pretty sure he puts on a top hat eventually. I don't know why. The wall fell and pushed me out of the building.
I saw.
Yeah, that logic makes perfect sense. God, this is actually so annoying.
Piano?
Wait, that's the piano? Okay. I thought it was you know.
What?
You can't really say it. We are, you know. Stop just sitting over there, damn it. Do something productive. I don't know, go make cakes for tomorrow's birthday parties. I don't know, do something productive before I destroy everything.
Technically, she's practicing the instruments till 4:30 in the morning.
True. I hate how Michael's the CEO and I'm the manager trying to do this. Maybe the manager of this place because I'm the closest thing that you can count that looks like a human that they can trust. I look like a human from the 80s, but I still look like a human. The only weird thing about me is my eyes, and when people ask, I just say they're contacts.
I mean, it works.
Yeah, it does.
Whatever gets the job done.
Yeah, I gotta make sure this place actually stays afloat. Puppet isn't here today, that's okay. He'll probably be here sometime. What's that? Is that chalkboard?
No, it's the TV. It's just all staticky.
Base.
Its repairs should be done tomorrow. Hopefully.
God. Hey, do you know any magic? god.
What?
I just walked in and Chica's making cakes faster than anything I've ever seen. What the fuck, man?
What?
There's just too much cake. I thought that was Mango's thing. Time to wipe down the walls.
Oh, remodel this place better later.
God, it's so hard running on a different software connection than every other animatronic.
What is Chica doing exactly again?
Baking cakes for tomorrow's parties. Shiny wall. I polished the wall. Wall now be shiny.
Grants.
Time to do it to the rest of them. Chica! Enough of the cakes. I'm pretty sure we probably have enough. Continue to practice the instrument.
Okay. Put the last bit in the fridge.
Replace the walls and the tiling later. Just a start, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
Molten's still around, by the way. You know Molten Freddy?
Yes, we were just talking about him.
When?
Obviously, I know him. We were talking about the whole name thing.
Yes. He's still alive. But he's still in that one yellow suit that Spring Bonnie put him in, as you know. No one decided to take it off of him, so he's kind of just stuck in that suit. At least we have one animatronic here that's actually practicing that instrument. Actually, if I'm correct, I saw on the cameras that Foxy had a fucking 3D printer.
Yes.
He'll shot me with a 3D printing gun, too.
He tried to shoot you with what now?
A 3D printing gun.
Fuck, man. I've taken away his 3D printer.
Good.
Now I'm gonna go sell it on eBay for a total of $10. I think $10 is a reasonable price for the 3D printer.
Let's go for a lot sometimes.
How much do you think I should sell it for? Oh,
300.
Yeah, it's probably a pretty useful thing. I mean, like, he fucking 3D printed a gun.
It's better.
Yeah, I should probably head out for a bit. I need to go do some paperwork.
Always been as mean.
What he had to do with it or anything. Nope, now Chica's moving. Hi, Chica.
Hello.
Where the hell did your piano go?
I have it.
They're guitars.
Everything's just gone.
I have them in my inventory. Storage thing.
Fuck down, Chica. Sorry about that.
I have them in my storage tank. Whatever you want to call it.
Sorry about joining that. Sorry about this.
What do you all think about ramen? Good to know. I'm gonna go make me some ramen. Okay. I was making ramen earlier. It's finished. Casty, you good?
No.
Whatever. Hey, what do you classify as? Female or male? Because you sound like a male.
Just the voice box that's in the suit.
I just think it's so much fucking creepy that the piano started playing.
So dramatic time makeup.
Just, are you classified as a female or male?
JoJo music starts playing.
Wait, I can't do that music. That's Jurassic World. Look at copyrighted. I mean, what?
Music.
No, that's copyrighted.
I'll make you go bankrupt more.
No, please. I can't have the animatronics learning copyrighted music. Foxy already does this bull crap. He just sits on stage and goes, do-do-do-do. What are you actually trying to do? Wait, hold it.
I'm trying to make it good. I'm trying to make this better, but I can't really do that. At most, I can do to keep us away from the children. I can't do that. Unfortunate.
Oh, come on.
Can I do it on this side? I think I
Back to eating my ramen.
Don't get it on my couch.
My building, my rules.
Blow up this building.
Please don't. This is the only way I make profit anymore. After all,
Off the building next to us.
it's not even open yet, though.
Oh, that's right. Not animatronics there.
Yeah, after we had to explode the place where the toy animatronics were to get finished because William Afton came out, we have to remake the models now. Because we lost everything in that explosion, as you know. Yeah, we lost everything in that explosion. So now it's just everyday thing, really. She could just be sitting there practicing. What do you think about her practice?
Always calling you useless, but when I see the profits, she's the one making you the most money.
I know, it's
Mainly
not
because she's the only one actually performing well, unlike the other three.
Bonnie hasn't been up because some kid put soda on him. He's been glitched. Freddy's just getting really fucking dark. You know, you remember when Molten kept on talking about Freddy making him kill children?
He's saying that one.
I think this might be the same Freddy, but he's changed. When we said he was gonna do pictures with children, he said, "Fuck that, make me do it. I don't want to go back to my old ways."
And Foxy's just been threatening people with gun.
No, that's the first time he threatened someone with a gun, but some kids tried to hurt him, so he ended up killing them with the hook.
Yeah, he did
One
too.
kid threw a whole watermelon at him, and he basically ripped the side of his face off.
Yeah, he threatened with a 3D gun.
Don't worry, his 3D printer privileges have been taken away. That's what Showtime Steve told me. And I'm happy that his privileges have been taken away. I need to go do some paperwork at my house. Hey, you know Sally Starlight, the girl that went mysteriously missing?
No, her.
Yeah, I bought that house. I live in their house now. I live at the Starlight house. I bought it.
Isn't there an apartment building like really nearby as well? What's probably better than that house?
Actually, I want to go exploring. You want to join me, Cassidy? First, I need to visit somewhere. I need to visit my bar. And yes, I do own a bar. Don't question it.
All this property that's making you probably so much money, and somehow you're losing and becoming bankrupt.
I lie about the bankruptcy just to make the animatronics feel bad.
Wow.
Yeah, because if I lie about it, they don't break stuff. Isn't that a good thing?
I've already seen a broken floor. The levers are broken. I've seen a lot of broken
There was some huge called pumpkin that we had for substitute night guard one time.
The floor was already broken when I came here. No, sorry, not when I came here. It was broken when I came out of the office.
Interesting. I really should have taken my car today. Jesus Christ, how'd you do that? This is where I live, or I might move out soon. I love copyrighted music. I don't know who made this.
I think it was some kid named Vinny. Our floors are usually better than this. One more floor or no? That's the pretty sure this is his room.
Talking about Felix?
Room. Yes. What are the apartment under us?
Huh?
Under us.
He plays Minecraft Dungeons. Good to know.
Doors are locked, but that doesn't stop me.
No, he decorated in here. I'm bad at decorations.
Usually they bring the stuff in their rooms once a person rents the house to prevent some people just breaking in and stealing everything.
I might get a place here. That house is kind of, I think it's haunted. I could check Felix's room, because every animatronic that knows him always is saying he's bad, and I don't understand why. What the hell? Well, that's not a normal thing to see in someone's paper bin. It's the blueprints from Model 12. Molten Wolf.
The name is so ridiculous.
Or Molten Wolf?
Yes.
I know it is, trust me. That's why I usually refer to it as Model 12.
place is pretty nice.
Oh, they got a Mickey D's. You know, I don't care if these places like competition. I want some McDonald's. What the fuck happened to the church?
Oh yeah, Foxy's
I happened. Foxy, what the hell? Oh, I don't like it. I'm not an atheist, but I don't care for churches. Hey, look, here's the graveyard. I'm disrespecting graves. I should be in a grave.
coming with it. Why are you a dog?
Oh my god, she did not actually figure out. Where are you?
The dog sitting and it's backwards. It's the most worst thing I've ever seen.
Bad. No. Smack you in the face. What the fuck? You attacked the fucking church, man.
Wait a minute,
I
what?
used to go to that school.
What happened?
Oh, just look at the church. It looks totally normal.
No.
Hey, you want to see where a person called Sally's buried? Or where she should have been buried, and if her body was found? Welcome to the tombstone of Mangle. This is why I sit and eat lunch.
It's always annoying.
Yeah, why do you think I sit here and eat lunch every time? I don't really care. There's no body under here.
Felix are just annoying.
See? No body. Nothing.
Felix's body was on this grave.
Okay. What the fuck is Felix done to you?
It's a personal grudge.
It's not his fault. You guys are the ones stupid enough to do that bullshit. You shouldn't have followed a stranger. I was there at the party, and what did I say about following people in the yellow suits? I literally told you guys to fucking not to, and what did you do? You followed the stranger in the yellow suit.
For kids, what do you expect?
And I was a 14-year-old that had a security badge telling you not to do that.
Again, we're kids. What do you expect us to listen to people?
Jesus Christ. Felix is lucky that I found him.
Lever is useless.
Felix was lucky I found him in the first place. He would have died if I didn't find him. I'm sorry.
This is what?
What?
What the?
The school bus is so cursed.
I can't get in.
Go through the back. Are you ready, kids? There's an acting school bus.
Step aside.
I hate it here.
I hate my life. Oh, that's hilarious.
What the heck?
It's the human. Beat the crap out of him. He's immortal.
Odd.
I'm not doing anything.
Looks to you why I hate Felix later. This is.
I didn't do anything.
Know what you're doing, I feel.
Now, where did that random human being go?
I think the person's at the house. Is
Which
this
house?
the one in front of the skylight?
Or not, sorry, I'm confused now. Chica, you realize that you are Michael murder someone. You are now associated with a murderer.
I only shot them once with lightning. What good? They're not gonna die.
Still, you're associated with a murderer, Chica.
Yo, stop hiding in walls. I'm not doing that bullcrap again, trying to hunt you down.
Build this place, build it poorly.
Good thing I didn't make the blueprints. I'm gonna go play in the arcade.
Rest
Yeah, I want a game. These games are way too easy. That was a piece of cake. Again. Hey, these games are boring. They're too easy to win. What the hell? Your house is invincible. It's not even bent.
Made out of a fabric that doesn't burn. It's also waterproof.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, don't try to piss on my couch.
Out of a bucket of water.
So do I, you're not special. There's so much to the sea. Don't use water. You physically can't water the couch. God! What the fuck?
Like this, man? I don't fucking like this, man.
It just deflects off of it.
A mortal couch. I need some of those. Bitch, get that.
I was off eBay for $5.
What do you think I should do with the Model 12's blueprints?
It's amazing.
I could make Model 12. After all, I do stuff as flash drive.
Again, do you really think it's a good idea?
I mean, my father also made Molten, and we still have him, and he's a good help.
He almost turned him back into a killing machine.
Yeah, we stopped him though. We all called him an idiot until who was it came around? Circus Baby, I think Circus Baby come around and noticed that Bring Money was acting like Springtrap, you know? We all called him crazy.
Honestly, you guys are just stupid. Notice that sooner.
I know. I gotta go do
Molten deals with you guys sometimes.
He doesn't. I have a bomb on him.
Great. So I'll start fixing these walls. It's been a while, Molten. Need to fix the name of the couch. Watch out for the water.
Yeah, I haven't been waterproofed. As you know, under this suit's just a mangle of wires. How have you been, Cassidy?
Like I've told Michael and Steve, Aaron there.
You talk to them?
Cannot. Kind of hard not to. Annoying.
Yes, I get along with Steve pretty well. Michael, though, I don't like him.
Michael asks too many questions.
Steve really just wants to be happy. That's all Steve wants. I respect that, too, because all I want is to be happy, too, as you know. So, are you happy now, Cassidy, that William's finally gone, or so we think?
Doubt that man is dead.
I don't
Know him. Might be dead, but he doesn't stay dead.
He always comes back. His own famous quote.
Just sit on the couch. You won't get infected by water. Trust me. Hell's water.
What the fuck, man? Why are you even flooding the place, by the way?
The way to fix these walls easier instead of replacing them all.
I see. Well, I'm glad you're doing okay, Cassidy. I'm glad you're doing a lot better than I am, at least. I'm still stuck in this suit. I don't really care to take it off. It does make me more kid approachable, as you know. As we found out during Fredbear times, the kid thought the whole face thing was actually pretty cool, like where half my face was like kind of gone, you know? Which kind of made me laugh that they actually thought that was cool, you know? At least I'm allowed to go near children. Somewhat, at least. By the way, how is Fredbear doing? Because I'm pretty sure, don't you hang out with him a lot?
Saturdays or Sundays we do poker.
I don't know why Michael is lying about being poor when he fucking owns a bar, owns this place, and then owns another location. Oh, between you and me, he also owns a strip club.
Of course that dude does.
Yeah, he owns a lot of places. He also owns that one bowling alley, and he's planning to make something called Glam Rock Bonnie or Bowling Bonnie. Some Bonnie animatronic for bowling, you know? You okay?
Sounds like it'd be annoying.
No, wait. Glam Rock Bonnie reminds me of, you know, Bonnie from the future. Mr. Starboy. Mr. helped us not get scrapped and helped us live. You know, the one who told us if we didn't change stuff, we'd be dead, you know?
I already know that.
At least we listened to him, right?
Pretty sure he was the one saying there's no way to change the future.
I don't think that was him, but I'm pretty sure he was saying it was. Well, anyway, we did it and we proved him wrong, but I haven't seen him. I hope he's okay. I hope I see him again soon. Last time I saw him was at Fredbear's and he looked a little bit different. That was a long time ago, so I can't remember his look, you know. What's that Chica doing? Chica! Chica, what are you doing?
Just got done doing this in what's coloring.
Okay, you can continue coloring then.
And also I bake a lot of cakes too, so...
Yeah, Chica, you want to come in here with your coloring pages? We have a couch.
Sure.
Make sure not to get the couch dirty. Actually, wait, I want to test something. Where is this? Where's the thing that causes the most mess? There it is, ramen. What the fuck? I poured ramen on it, and the ramen just appeared back in the bowl.
This couch is God.
Yeah, you can count on this. I don't think you're gonna get dirty.
It was forged by dwarves.
Well, yeah, I don't know why everyone calls Chica useless when she makes half the money around here.
We'll see.
Huh?
We'll see.
Now, see?
Jealousy. Jealous.
True. Hey, Mangle, have you ever met this thing that kind of looks like him, but wears like a light blue vest and is more like a bunny?
Still the wrong animatronic.
Huh?
Said Mangle.
Chica, have you?
I can't
Man
remember.
with that looks like him, but a bunny.
I can't remember.
Call the name William Afton.
Yeah, William Afton, the man who dragged you in here and stabbed you like 20 times. I think me mentioning that has made her remember. She now looks like she wants to cry, but she can't because she's an animatronic.
Did you, Susie?
Wait. As one of the children I killed, I must say this. I am sorry for killing you.
It's okay. I forgive.
I had to say that. William Afton forced me.
I forgive you.
Oh, by the way, I'd be careful with Freddy, because your Freddy forced me to kill children, too. Yeah, back when me and him were in a factory for misunderstood animatronics, he walked out of the factory, took us to a park, and made me choke a child. Then another time he made me put my fingers straight through a child's heart.
Genius.
And then he made me put on this suit a long time ago. Then I finally got it off after he was remade into the new Freddy. And then Bonnie put the suit back on, and I just don't care to take it off at this point, you know? I just feels like something that's going to continuously happen. All I know is this is an actual pretty nice suit. What do you think about this suit, by the way, Golden Freddy or Cassidy?
I like the suit. It just feels like the yellows could be a bit more vibrant.
It's like a gold.
Yeah, but like I said, it could be changed to like a nice vibrant yellow. Might pair good well with a vibrant red as well.
It is mainly like very bright red. It's just that they took a Funtime suit and they made the shades of like the white there was different shades of gold, like darker shades of gold, you know? That's what they did for the suit. It was supposed to originally be called Golden Funtime Freddy, but then Spring Bonnie or William actually, because molten. Fixed molten. Yeah.
William's better be getting better at naming stuff, like on God.
Yeah, he named Chica the chicken. What the fuck? Bonnie the bunny. Huh?
I mean, Bonnie makes sense.
Chica makes
one of
that.
his.
But what the fuck is the name? Showtime Steve. Come on. Actually, I want to think of what do you think Showtime Steve's name should be? We could name him anything we wanted to. We could change it. Please don't say something stupid, though, because I really actually want to change his name.
I was gonna say he looks like a Roger.
No. Showtime something, because I want to keep Showtime in his name, since he announces people for Showtime, you know?
Yeah, sometimes Steve don't like me either.
Is Steve being rude? I'm gonna go talk to Steve. Holy shit, Steve has a rocket launcher. Never mind.
I thought you were gonna say racist at first, but
If Steve was racist, then he would hate you too, because you guys are both yellow. And wait, that means he would... Steve, what do you think about the color yellow? It's okay. I mean, like, okay.
what about a dark yellow?
Fuck dark yellow.
Okay,
Go
what about a gold color?
Pretty good.
Gold is practically dark yellow.
It's true.
Get over here, you motherfucker. Wait, Morton, get over here. No.
It's just a shiny version of dark yellow. I mean, it could be brighter sometimes.
You little shit.
Still coloring.
Mm-hmm.
Just gotta check on this. Maybe I can find some of Fredbear's parts here to fix them finally. How'd it go, Freddy?
Second, doing things.
Where'd all the parts go?
Quite important.
What?
Prioritize on something. Hold on.
Okay.
Oh, it's you.
What do you mean by... I'm not... Oh, by the way, William's not in my systems anymore, buddy. It's just me, regular old Spring Bonnie.
They're practically the same.
These models are actually finished?
Yeah.
I thought all blueprints would have been lost in the explosions.
Oh,
Like, completely finished. Interesting. By the way, if you're wondering how I survived the explosion, I technically didn't. William made a ton of backups of the suit, but the idiot forgot to enter his program into all of them. So the first backup only had my program. The idiot called himself one of the smartest people ever. Forgot to put his own code into the backup suits. What a dumbass.
again, what if that's what you actually wanted?
For
Tell
what?
that man. Might have something else planned. He might have wanted you to be here right now.
Oh, how's Fredbear
William's
doing?
not
I haven't seen Fredbear. How's he doing?
Still sucks at a poker. I made like $500,000 from him this month.
I'm still connected to Mr. William Afton's bank account. By the way, remember when the explosion went off? Remember how I was keeping a hold of Model 12's flash drive?
Yes.
Yeah, I kind of still have that thing.
You do.
Yes, I do. What are you writing?
Not writing.
What?
Just reading in old books.
Oh, I see. What the hell is that? Model 12's blueprints. What the hell? New drop these, my friend?
Honestly, don't know. I actually didn't have those.
So I have Maladrive's blueprints and his flash drive. Is there a fire anywhere near here?
You gonna burn them?
Well, duh. It's like one of the most violent models there is.
Me.
Do we want that thing to stay, be able to even be recreated and used? Wait, what is it? There's a name on the back of this blueprint. Feel it. Why would feel it? Let's have this. Oh, well, that's time to burn in hell, you pieces of crap.
Hey. Smoke goes high.
Yeah, it really does. Is this a hot tub? What the fuck, man? They got a hot tub.
Honestly, I don't know. I haven't been here for a while. I've just been chilling now.
I saw a member security puppet took these fire pit things down after Felix got... Felix actually works here. Did you know that? Oh, I just don't...
Now this is full.
Yeah, well... what should we actually do, though? I feel like we could explore this town. I haven't looked around. Anyone want to join me?
I'll stay here. Chica, you want to go?
Yeah. I went for some exploring. Sounds good.
You say yeah or nah?
Yeah.
I think it's probably time. We should probably close up the doors, actually, now that I just noticed.
Plus my battery is getting low.
Yeah, I can't reach it. Oh, also, it's almost 6. It's 6 o'clock in 1 minute. Get the fuck up there. And... we can go over there and stay back here. People will start coming in about... Well, the people start coming in about a minute. No, I'm closing the doors.
They don't come in a minute. They wait till about 8. Gives 2 hours.
6 o'clock. It is now on shutdown.
Yeah, they just come at 8. Employees 2 hours to get ready and prep food, entertainment, and everything else.
Mm-hmm.